In this video, I'm going to show you a new version I integrated into version 1.005 of the Audience Analyzer. And the new feature is filters. So before you previously had filtering options by just selecting the quick filters from the drop down at the top of the rows, the columns, which is still there, as well as searching within the columns that contain text. But I added another ability to create custom filters, so I just want to go ahead and illustrate this. So I've already connected to Facebook, and let's go ahead and just type in a keyword here and get some data. I'll just search for doctor. And as before, you still have the ability to do your quick filters here, but you also have this other filters option. So you click this button here, it'll bring up a separate window that will just stay open all the time above everything. So you kind of put it to the side, and you can kind of see it in action here when you actually select one of these quick filters. It'll automatically put it into here for you. And even when you search down here, you can see it come up. Now you can also create your filters within this little window. And this window applies to any of the data grids, including the manager. So when you actually just click over, you'll see it automatically change over to the filters for this particular data grid. And if they have any filters, they'll show up in here. But let's say you want to do it using the filters window. It's actually quite simple. Just select the column here and click in there. And you select the actual column you want to filter. So let's say you want to do the Facebook interest. And the compare type would be, let's say it contains the word, I don't know, who. And click apply. And it'll automatically filter that column for any cells that have the word who. And you can also do does not contain as well. So take all the ones out that do not contain the word who. And then you can continue to add more if you'd like. Click the little add button down here, and then you can just click in here and select, let's say, the audience size, and you want to be greater than, say, 1 million. Click apply. And it'll be applied to your data. Now if you move on to the next one here, let's type in doctor again and go ahead and get some results. Then you could see there's no filters in here, but if we go and add them, let's say for the target contains the. So that's pretty cool. And if you get audience sizes as well, so you can also remove the filters here by right-clicking, remove selected filter, or remove all filters. You also have those options here on the remove button at the bottom. So now we do a compare type on the audience size. So you want greater than 1,000 or something like that, and they'll show up there. Looks like all of them were almost. Okay. And you'll notice that when you flip back to the Facebook interest tab, it'll automatically update the filters that are defined for this data grid. And then you go to the next one, you see pretty self-explanatory, real easy to do. Let me show you a few more features here. You can actually save your filters into a filter data file. Now for each grid, there will be a different filter file. So if you save this, you will see this is the interest filters, so in Audience Analyzer interest filter file. So you can save that there. But if you go to the Wikipedia one that we have, and we say we save this, it will be Audience Analyzer wiki filter file. So we can save that. And the advantage of that is, so let's go ahead and clear the filters. We can click this button down here to quickly do it as well. The advantage of that is you can come in here and open it up. It'll automatically recognize that file. Click apply, and then you got it there. But there's an easier way of doing this. Let's say you don't have your, after you've got your filter file set and you want to use it for whatever audience, all the audiences you have. All you have to do is just right click anywhere in here and go to filters and load filter file. And load it. It'll automatically load it up and apply it to your data just like that. So you don't even have to open up the window and manually add them or open it up in here. So it's just a quicker way of doing it. So that's basically it. That's just a quick overview of the new filters feature that has been applied to each and every tool within the Audience Analyzer software. Thanks for watching.